Hello, and welcome to the General Electric's Healthcare Digital booth at RSNA 2018. My name is Aaron Hillman. I'm the Global Product Marketing Director for Enterprise Imaging Solutions, including Centricity Clinical Archive and Centricity Clinical Archive Analytics. This is Centricity Clinical Archive Analytics, our analytics solution that works directly with the Centricity Clinical Archive solution, GE Healthcare's vendor-neutral archive. Centricity Clinical Archive Analytics provides governance for enterprise imaging, allowing you to evaluate clinical, financial, and operational processes across your healthcare system. This screen represents the summary panel that allows you to have a high-level overview of how all of the different components of your archive and all of your imaging sources, departments, facilities, and modalities are working in the enterprise. Within the summary panel, it allows us to very specifically look at all of the data as it comes in from each of the different modalities and imaging sources, including not just DICOM or departmental archives like cardiology and radiology, but also looking across the enterprise at visible light, video, scans, and other data captured that are considered images and held in the vendor-neutral archive. As you can see, we can drill into this data very specifically as we look at studies being used. We can even expand and drill down to evaluate data more specifically within a given month. We can even expand this view to give you a very specific look at data that you are trying to expand into and evaluate. In addition, it allows you to view in graphical representation all of the content and data, including errors in all of your archives, utilization and trending, as well as latency over the last full day in your network, allowing you to evaluate where things need to be fixed, any process gaps, and how you can improve upon overall workflow and streamline data in your organization. The XDS submission analysis page within Centricity Clinical Archive Analytics allows you to monitor all of the non-DICOM data, the XDS data that is coming into your vendor-neutral archive, allowing you to evaluate how data is flowing into the vendor-neutral archive, if there are any challenges within your network or with the data that is being submitted, and where those issues may lie. As you can see, it allows us to trend over the course of time, which you can determine the ability to have that data flowing in and where there's errors. Within this dashboard, we're also able to drill down to see the very specific data and submissions, allowing you to specifically identify where data is coming from and where it is having issues, as well as a more specific graphical representation and count, allowing you to identify the data that you are looking for. The Study Data Quality Dashboard provides you insight into how all of the study data from across your enterprise is flowing into the vendor-neutral archive. In order to provide a strategic and foundational enterprise archive for all of your imaging in the health system, having clean data is an essential component. This dashboard helps you to evaluate how that data is being captured, where it's not being captured in a clean way, and to help improve the process on the front end, whether it's clinical, operational, or financial, in order to improve the data flowing into the archive. As you can see, we're looking at a variety of different pieces of data from across multiple archives, facilities, departments, even modalities, and station names, with graphical representation allowing you to see trending across a long span of time and any future studies or missing studies that need to be captured and improved upon. This will help your organization and the governance of your enterprise imaging for all clinical imaging data across your health system.
So GE Healthcare came to us and they let us know that they had a product that already existed and they wanted to add analytics capability to it. For me personally, I joined GE developers in a room for over the course of a week and we built the solution out, and then they took it and ran from there. Why Microsoft? I would say that we have the technical background, we have the right tools, but beyond that, we also have the expertise in healthcare.
Thank you for watching today and your interest in learning more about Centricity Clinical Archive Analytics. A warm thank you to Microsoft for helping in the development of this solution, which lives on the Power BI platform in the Microsoft Azure cloud. On behalf of GE Healthcare and Microsoft, thank you for all you do in taking care of our patients around the world. For more information, please visit gehealthcare.com.